Here's how to make rounded bar charts in Tableau. So as you can see here, we have a sales by subcategory chart here, and all my ends are rounded. So let's hop on over to a regular bar chart and show you how it's done. So we got a regular bar chart here with sales by subcategory from the Superstore sales data set. And all we need to do is basically add a blank measure to make it rounded. So to do that, we're going to go to columns, double click. So I'm going to add average 0, which is basically just a blank measure. Then I'm going to grab it, hold it, and I'm going to drop it here where you see these 2 green lines appear. That will make a combination chart. Now what we need to do is change the mark to a line. And you can see it's starting to take shape. It's just angled a little bit weird. Then what we're going to do is grab the measure names and throw that into the path. And now they're getting straight. So now we're getting closer. Then you'll go to size, and you're going to size these up quite a bit. Let's see, that looks, around there looks better. That's going to be up to you, but that looks better to me. Then on label, you're going to want to go to marks to label and click on line ends to take off this first label. And we're going to do that. Take off the label at the end of the line. It's backwards, so the end is the beginning here. Now that's looking better. And just the last finishing touch, as you can see, there's a big gap here between the subcategory name and the actual start of the line. And that is because the axis here changed. So we're going to go to edit axis. I'm going to go to fixed. And I'm going to do the fixed start at 0. In this way, the beginning looks like it's straight and the end is curved. But if you wanted to keep it but curved on both ends, you could do this. Maybe just edit the axis to maybe start around 10,000. It's going to depend on your data, right? But maybe to get it closer. So that looks better. I like my beginning to be straight, so I'm going to leave it at 0. And that's it. Then you can just hide your axis at the bottom. And that's it. You can change the size and you make it even bigger. And there you go. There's your rounded bar charts. Now keep in mind that this is purely for aesthetic reasons, maybe to use in a Makeover Monday challenge to showcase to potential employers that you're more of an advanced Tableau user. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Let me know if you have any questions and follow me for more data content.